Alright guys, here's a quick video. It's almost done. They sent the wrong brakes. I think they sent off an R6S, but it just didn't work. I'm still waiting on the seats getting made right now. But everything else done, the bike fires up. I'm just in the midst of tuning it, and there's no baffles except for the little secondary part of the exhaust. And in here there's baffles. In here there's not. I was going to add these later, but I like the way the bike sounds. In fact, when I get the tank hooked up, I'm going to post a video of what the bike sounds like. It sounds really good, and I think it sounds really close to what the bike on TV sounds like. It's a little loud, but it's got a nice growl to it. And I think I'm going to change the front fender eventually, but it looks, it looks okay right now. It could be curved more. It's a little too flat of a fender, but it's what I had to use. And I moved the battery up here, obviously, and then that took place where the battery was going to be here, and I got all the I made a compartment out of that little hole in the swing arm, and that's where all the wiring is. So the bike really doesn't have, if you look at it, a lot of wiring. I still just ordering blinkers for the bike, and front blinkers that are going to go in the handlebars, just so it's all safe for my son-in-law. But that's about it. It's really close. It's about 95%. Tell me what you think. I'll post a video later of it running.